son. Ponytail on swole. Okay, guys, I'm actually thinking about getting the DJI. It's DJI mic and connect it to my camera. That way I could be like far away and just talk to y'all. But as y'all can tell by the title, it's going to be a very short video because your girl don't really go to the gym. I'm starting now, so I guess you guys can see the progress with me. But we're going to the gym and I'm gonna show you guys the workouts that I do at the gym. I've done like quite some little research on the gym girlie. So shout out to y'all, because when y'all just be telling people what y'all do to gain this and gain that, and you know how to subtract this from your body and how to gain that from your body. Thank you, girlies, for putting the other girlies on. I had gathered around 4 to 6 workouts. My goal is to basically make my butt more in shape. I have hip dips, so if you guys have hip dips, I'll share my routine. So if it does work, you know, in a couple of months from now, let's see how consistent I could be, because I really fail at being consistent in the gym. Because my goal is to fill in my hip dips, because I have hip dips, and to tone my back area and my back as well, and my abs, because lately your girl been bloated and I feel like I don't know what's going on. I feel like it's age, and yeah. So your girl don't really do that much cardio. I don't really like exercise a lot. I dance a lot, but like not like often as I used to back then, which I want to tap into anyway. But yeah, so your girl's a little bloated beneath my belly button area. Like, let me see if I can show y'all. This is my second day going to the gym, so obviously I don't have quite the results yet. So this is just how my body is. So I'm gonna do a whole full 360 so y'all can see my body, and then we could be able to like keep progress and see, you know, see if the workouts that I'm doing actually work. So as y'all can see, I have hip dips on the side, right there. Okay, I have a little booty already. It's just that I want to tone it, lift it. I want it to like kind of like pop out from right here. So that's why I'm doing the RDLs, because that targets right here, I believe. And then as you can see, like my stomach, you see there right here, is like bloated a little bit. I do have a little bit of love handles. I think my tights is kind of keeping everything a little bit together, but it's not that bad. It's just a little bit. But I want to bring in my waistline so my hip dips don't look that noticeable. And yeah, that's about it. And then my back, I have probably like a little, I don't know what it's called, but is it love handles too? I don't know. But I have like little fat right here. Not too much, just a little bit. But I want to slim down my back area, kind of bring the line in a little bit more. For this to pop out and to lift up my booty. And then yeah, and then tone my legs a little bit, you know what I mean? Like my thighs kind of build weight there to make everything proportion, kind of give like a Coca-Cola bottle effect. Like a Coca-Cola bottle effect. Yeah, and that's about it. So let's go to the gym. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and join the GemZ family. Woohoo! Okay guys, let's go work out. I also got my shake with me. It's a lot going on outside, so I'm gonna go inside now. Alright, bye guys. See you guys inside. You know what's funny? These headphones will even give you a left or a right. Like, which one is it? Connecting with Bluetooth, because I don't want to hear people grunting. So this is how I feel right now.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far.
Hold for 10.
Oh, you're the best part. Oh.
That's my first set. Siri, leave me alone. She said okay. So that's my first set. I did 3 sets of 4, and I'm gonna do it 3 times. So you guys seen the first set? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2, and then we're gonna move on to the next machine. Next machine, y'all. Let's go. 30 on each side. Life's not the same without you, but you know, I'm here. Thank you for the check-in. I'm doing it. I'm trying to get a big booty this summer. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
That's where you want to be.
Fuck.
Right here. 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 Come on. Here. Good.
If y'all see me here, then you know that we made it to the end of this workout journey, which took about an hour and 5 minutes. Workout is complete. I feel great. I'm proud of myself because I did everything I said I was going to do. I pushed through. Difficulty level was not as difficult. It was like hard, but it was like, okay, I can get through this. As a matter of fact, let me just tell you guys now how many sets I did and stuff, so you guys know. The workout that we did together with my legs going like this. Hip abduction. 4 sets of 3 times. And we did, second was RDLs. I did 10 sets of 4. And then with the squats on the bar, on the Smiths, whatever thingamabob for the squat, was 10. I held it for 10 seconds. And then I did 5 slow ones. And then I took a break. And then I did that 3 times. So I'm just gonna finish downing this. And I'm just gonna, that's just gonna be my meal right now. And then probably in the next 2 or 3 hours, then I'm gonna go ahead and actually have a full meal. This is gonna be replacing all that energy that I just put in the gym. So if you guys want me to do more workout routines, eventually I'm going to up my weight right now, since it's kind of like back to beginner. Because to be honest, I had worked out a while ago. I was during COVID and I was consistent for about 3 months, but it was like backyard, hardcore, boot camp, gel workouts. And COVID came around and everybody started getting COVID, and then we just automatically stopped. And I did see results within that time, like, and I was getting pushed. I was doing heavier weights. So right now what I'm doing is going a little bit slower on myself. I'm doing very little reps because, trust me, these reps is what got me sore for like 4 days. And then eventually, once I feel like my body can, like it feels like nothing to my body, then I'm gonna go ahead and start upping my weight, either by 5 pounds or 10 pounds. This is technically day 2. I didn't record day 1 because I didn't know if I was gonna be like, all right, let's do it again. But here I am back again. I'm trying to make a difference. I'm trying to push myself and include this in my workout routines. I have a whole bunch of gym clothes, but I don't go to the gym. Like, what is that? Who do that? This is it right here. 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 Okay? So now that y'all see my body, we can see together, like, you know, if it's gonna make a difference or whatever. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I post a video. You guys get notified and you won't miss out. And yeah, leave me a comment, let me know like you made it to the end of the video. Like, let's chat. I don't bite. Workout girlies, go ahead and comment that workout girly emoji so I know that we part of the gym buddy team journey. Yeah, we in this together. So keep going, keep pushing yourself, don't stop. Whenever you feel unmotivated or if somebody pisses you off, just use that energy and put it towards working out. Just go, okay? Even if you can't go to the gym, do a little bit at home and whatnot. Just don't stop for nobody. You're doing this for yourself. Till my next video, bye.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.